So do you remember how to make the prickly sound where you play over here? That's what we're going to use. So you can use a pick if you have a pick, just a little piece of plastic. If you don't have a pick, you can use your thumb or another finger. And all you do is you just pluck these strings on this side, right here. We don't usually play over here, so you just give that a try. Now you can choose to play all at once or one at a time like this. Let's give it a try. You can also do it your own way if you want to make up your own way of playing it. Good luck. I was walking down the street, thinking about the things I'd like to eat. A bowl of soup, an apple slice, a healthy snack before tonight. It's almost Halloween now. Parents were standing in the yard. Parents were standing in the yard. Everybody's out there talking about the tombstones and the coffins that they bought for decoration. It's almost time to get our costumes now. It's almost time to get our costumes now. 'Cause trick or treat will happen soon. I've been waiting all afternoon. It's almost Halloween now. It's almost Halloween now. Yes, great job. Thank you for playing and hanging out with me. I hope it wasn't too scary. My name is Mr. Ben. I make videos for kids that help them learn a guitar, ukulele, and other instruments. If you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to click subscribe so that you'll know when new videos happen. Great job today, and I'll see you next time.